We're just going to continue now with the formatting of the CSV bank download with the spend money export file. One of the things you should do is insert a column at the very front. This will be necessary for sorting later and it will become a bit clearer in one of the next chapters. Alright, we need to insert another field, and this one is going to be to copy the check account into. Now, if you've got the other file open, it's an easy thing to do, a copy and a paste. Just be wary of making sure the columns are spelt correctly and things like that. It is important. The two date fields match up. We need to insert a field called the company last name, so we'll just put that one in there. Copy that one across. Then we need to rename the description field to the memo field. So we'll just quickly do that. Alright, we now have a field called allocation account up in here. We've got the X tax, including tax code and tax amount. So really the only field that we need to run are the actual payments themselves. We don't need this credit entry heading there. So I think to some extent what we can do is just copy these fields here and just bring them all across in one hit, because it's going to follow through here. Now we may just have to move the information across, but we'll look at that. All right, let's just open these up. The tax amount. Now the allocation account is not where that should be, so that's an easy thing just to do a cut and a paste. Now let's just put this in the inclusive tax amount. That's probably the best place to put it because that's going to include all the GST. Remember, this information here has all the GST within it. So if we put it in the GST inclusive amount, it's probably the place to go. So we'll just do that as a paste. And we've shifted that information. Now what we've got now are all the headings lined up with the blank field at the front. We now need to start working on the data itself and trying to produce the information we need so that it looks like the spend money file at the top.